Hello everybody, welcome to the video. My name is Crypt. Today we're going to be using Overtuned 1.4, okay? So this is the newest update of Overtuned, okay? So as any other app, all you need to do is come to my website over here, cryptap.com, okay? You're going to log in, okay? After you have logged in, you're going to receive access to the free apps page. So I'm going to click right here on free apps. And I'm going to download right here, okay? So click download right here. And it's going to start downloading a zip file on your computer, okay? Now, if you click on tutorial video, you're gonna come straight to this video over here. So click over here on download. Bring your new download to your desktop. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna right click on it and you're gonna click extract to Overtuned 1.4, or you can just click extract here. Either option works. I clicked extract here and now I have this folder over here on my desktop, okay? Overtuned 1.4. Very easy, so you're gonna open this folder. Alright, so pretty straightforward. You now have this application over here, Overtuned 1.4. You have this image over here, which you can use as a reference. You have this read more document, and you have these settings over here. So let's go through the read more document first. And over here you have a text telling you the application name and the version, what kind of application it is, so it's an executable, when it was updated, what it is, so it's a Pixelbot and an aim assist, what it was designed for, so it was designed for these two games over here, and if it is free or paid. So over here you guys can see the changes. Okay, so mouse speed now has a maximum of 11. Okay, one of my members told me that the value of 10 is not strong enough, so I increased the value. Now the maximum value is 11, and 11 is just a symbolic number. That value of 11 is actually a very huge value. It's not just 11; it's like nearly 20, and it's gonna significantly boost your mouse tracking. So if you wanna, just straight up aim to the enemy that quickly, then use 11, and that's how you're gonna get there. Okay, it's quick, but it's still safe. All right. I have fixed major crashes with Color Picker. You guys told me that Color Picker was crashing, and yeah, it was crashing for me too. That was due to a deployment issue. I have fixed several crashes with saving. So sometimes your program crashed after saving, okay, your application, and some other stuff too. Okay. One problem with this new version, a small problem, is that now the application may use a little more resource. Okay. All right. So over here you have the first few steps. So we need to follow these steps. Okay. So you're gonna right click on Overtuned 1.4 executable, and you're gonna run as administrator, and that's it. It's that simple. Okay. So to open it, we're gonna follow those instructions. So we're gonna right click on it. We're gonna go to run as administrator. And then your antivirus, just like mine, as you can see over here on the screen, may say, this is a new application or whatever, right? But as you can see, my antivirus says it's a safe application. Okay. So I'm gonna run this program. All right, cool. So now we have over here Overtuned 1.4. Okay, you can see the version right here on top, the title. You have over here values on the left and status on the right. Now, you don't need to worry anything about status. Status is just gonna tell you what the application is doing at the moment, like the values that it has and what it's doing, and pretty much that's it. Over here at the bottom, you also have status at the bottom over here, which is gonna tell you, it's basically like a screen showing you what Overtune is able to detect. Okay, so you can see in real time the detections. All right. So let's go straight up to the business. So over here, the main thing they need to worry about is that, if you downloaded this to play Overwatch, then you don't need to do anything. You do not need to do anything. All you may have to do, the only thing you may have to do is change the key. Because as you know, in Overwatch, when you press X, you're requesting for somebody to heal you, right? So that's all that you may have to change. If you want to change that, you may change it to like any other key, okay? For me, I'm going to leave it as X. But that's how you turn on and off your application. So if I press X right now, so let me just show you guys. It says over here status on, right? So that's how I know it's on. Status on, status off. So if I press it on, right, and Overtune is able to detect an enemy in game, right, it's gonna go towards the enemy. Now, right now, nothing's happening because, of course, there's no enemy. I'm not playing a game yet. I'm gonna go in the game just a little bit, but as you can see, there's nothing happening right now. If Overtune was detecting an enemy, as soon as I press left click, it would immediately aim towards the enemy. Okay. Alright guys, so now we're inside the game, and as you guys can see, right, I purposely changed a few settings so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So as you guys can see, the detection is not the best right now, right? As you guys can see right now. Okay, so let me turn off the application. Now it's off. There you go. By pressing K, because my key now is K, I changed it. So let's just clarify to you guys. So make sure that you know, right? So if your overtune is not detecting your enemy very well, you can very easily change that. So overtune works based on color, okay? In the future, I'm gonna add more ways of detecting, but for now it's just color. So how are you gonna do this? You're gonna click on this color picker right here, okay? Click on it, and there you go. And now over here, you have this nice little overtune color picker right there. Okay, let me leave it over here on the right. So now what you need to do is you need to put an image inside of it. So to do that, you're gonna click over here and waiting for image. Click on this label. Inside of the folder I provided to you guys, there is this Overwatch image.png. So you're gonna open that image. There you go. Now don't worry how it looks like, okay? The colors are still there, okay? All you need to do now is very simple. So what you need to do is just need to play with these values, okay? Until you get only the robot, only the outline of the robot showing, okay? So let me just play with these values for a little bit. So as you can see, it's changing drastically now. And okay, that's good. And I'm going to change the mean saturation. So this is the minimum, this is the maximum over here on the right. So there you go. That's around good already. Minimum value. Okay. And that's pretty good. Yeah, you don't want to decrease it too much. The maximum cannot be lower than the minimum, of course. Okay, that's good. Let me just decrease the mean hue a little bit. Now you want to leave it like that. Mean saturation. There you go. So as you see over here, it completed the outline of the enemy. That's what you want. You want to complete the outline of the enemy. Okay. So it's completed. There's a little spot over here. Let me see if I can take this spot out. There you go. Very good. Now I can click save. And now if I go back inside my game, which I'm not going to do, okay, I'm just showing you guys how to fix it. If I go back inside my game now, everything is going to be all good. It's going to be detecting the enemy very well. Now, of course, if you downloaded this application from our website, you don't need to worry about that because it's already going to be set up for you, okay? So you don't need to worry about it. But in case it's not very good for you, you can go ahead and change it, okay? So let's say, I know it was a long video. Of course, some of you guys may already know how to use it, Overtune, so you don't need to worry about it much. You didn't probably have to watch this whole video. Some of you guys probably already left. But either way, thank you for watching and I appreciate it.